you raise a shield. Dissociate. You call it nothing. I name the send and highlight, triangulate, rewrite the scene, reverse the fructimitous fender, and counter-accuse. Flip the script as you smile, like the totem cop's grin. Liar, defiler, confabulator, you're no victim here. It's a blood guard you mirror. Complete the hate, spirits as chaser, master breath of death. But the states you can't erase, ashes from the furnace.
I didn't dream it. You were there. Your lips, your voice, your conscious sphere. You made a choice, then played the ghost. Shvgara sees who lied the most.
You touch and touch, you blame the drink. I bleed in bars, you barely even blink. Gaslit consent, a parlor trick. You fold the truth, car shark quick. With swindles of genocide, but the defaulter and coward, this anger goes from either side. You let him crawl into your bed while the screams of Auschwitz filled my head. I cursed his name, not yours, not then, but your silence feeds the dead again. He wears their death like second skin. The camps wake now, they pulling him in. A death's head patch on flag-turned skin. I didn't touch him, I let death in. He mocks the dead with every stitch. I watched the truth rot in your hand while he played soldier in no man's land. And now that tank darkened your shadow too. You were the target, you were the flame, but you stood by and called my name, as if I wrote the script alone, while he wore Daco on his bones. You call it nothing. I name the sin, deny, lie, triangulate, rewrite the sin, reverse the victim, the offender, counter-accuse, flip the script as you smile, like the totem cop's grin. Liar, defiler, confabulator, you're no victim here. It's a black art you mirror. Accomplice the hate, spirits as chaser, master breath of death. But this case you can't erase, ashes from the furnace. Counter-accuse, flip the script as you smile, like the totem cop's grin. Liar, defiler, confabulator, you're no victim here. It's a black rock you mirror. Accomplish the hate, spirits as chase from master breath of death. But this case you can't erase, ashes from the furnace. call it nothing. I name the sin, deny lies.